Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses that we offer. This morning in one of my classes, my students were discussing their language learning experiences. They were talking about how long they'd been learning English, what they thought their strengths and weaknesses were, and they were reminiscing about the great teachers they'd had over the years and the not so great teachers, the teachers they remembered less than fondly. One of my students was complaining rather bitterly after all these years about a teacher she'd had when she was at secondary school, when she was at high school, who was always giving her a hard time. And for some reason or other that never became completely clear to her, this teacher just really didn't like her, and he would always give her bad grades no matter how hard she tried or how hard she studied. In the end, she came to the conclusion that he had it in for her. If you say that someone has it in for you, you mean that they're determined to cause you trouble or to harm you. So maybe you apply for promotion and you worry that you're not going to get the job because the boss has got it in for you after you disagreed with one of the boss's opinions once in a meeting. Or maybe you've had a teacher at school who, for some unknown reason, just had it in for you and was always giving you really bad grades and giving you a really hard time. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up sign, the like sign, as it helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear stories about any time anyone's ever had it in for you.